This is just a little clip of a job that I'm working on. If you'll see all our work on williamoconnell.ie, our website, if you'd like to visit. So this is a typical ghost estate, and if you'll notice there, some of the joinery works that have been rectified and gone into place. We're doing all the joinery works here, replacing broken sashes, broken doors, broken staircases. So if I just come back behind me here, you'll see some of the houses which are absolutely wrecked. There's a window there behind me, and you'll see that it's painted grey, so that's a window we've completely remade. You'll see doorways behind me here. Anything missing in joinery's point of view, we're remaking the whole lot. This morning, just showing some of the works that we have to undertake in relation to a ghost estate. God knows how many of these things are in Ireland. That you see behind me, or anything that you see here, are houses that are being put back together after being seriously vandalised. So this is just an example of one estate.